Hi, this is a quick overview of what you'll find inside Fantasy Landscapes with an Iron in this online course. There are 14 lessons in here. There's a little bit about myself over on the left-hand side. And then I walk you through a number of videos showing you how to create patterns with your iron and how to create actual fantasy landscapes. There's a quick run through on the equipment that you're going to need. Now, a lot of people that go for this course tend to be familiar with using encaustic wax with the iron anyway, but in case you're not, then that is all included. And some of my regular questions, I go through kind of mark making, how to make marks with different areas of your iron, and also mixing colours as well. And then this is where we get into the creating the fantasy landscapes. So we start with a monochrome version, or a couple of versions on there that I kind of show you how I've created them. And then we move on to a multicoloured one version as well. So, and it really goes through step by step on exactly how you go about pulling them together, and then a couple of little bonus videos there as well for shining and buffing your paintings and deep cleaning your iron if you're going from very dark to very light colours, and then there's a bit of a course wrap up. We have a free Facebook group that you're welcome to join. This particular course doesn't come with extra support, but there is a free group that you can post your pictures and put any comments in. And then also, what next? So if your encaustic appetite has been whetted, there's a lot more information there on other places that you can go to, take your encaustic a bit further. So anyhow, I hope you enjoy it. I really hope to see you inside. Many thanks.